and welcome. Today's video we are talking Boxycharm Base Box for August. Now this is my personal box. I did pay for this myself, and hopefully in the future I will be unboxing the PR for you guys. I just haven't received my PR yet. So if you are interested in seeing what I received in my paid for Boxycharm Base Box, let's go ahead and jump on in. So like I said, this is paid for. I did set up a separate account as far as that goes because I was super excited about everything for the premium and the base box that we were seeing for August. So like I said, I went ahead, set up an account. Now when it comes to the Boxycharm Base Box, this is $25 a month and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in here. Now for the base box, you do get to customize one item in here, and that is what sold me. And so yes, I did choose one of the items. I did pick up some extra and add-ons, and before I open it, I'll tell you what the choices were as far as that goes. So you had 4 things to choose from when it came to the base box for August. The first item was the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, which I already had it in my collection. The Glam Glow Moisturizer Omega Rich Moisturizer. Now the next couple things I'm going to talk about were in add-ons, so I went ahead and picked them up. So this was available for $12 in add-ons, which by the way, about a month prior to the following box, there is what's called add-ons, where you can choose crazy discounted prices and get additional items on top of what you're already going to see in your base box. Probably didn't make sense, but I'm doing my best, guys. Then we had the QMS Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Cream. Now this I was super excited about. It has a $105 price tag. The reviews were really good on it, so I did pick this up as well as add-ons, and I have to say I absolutely love it for that no makeup kind of day where you just want a little bit of, you know, a little bit of color to the skin, but not too much, not a full beat. This is amazing. And then last, which I already had in my collection, was the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser, and that was one of your choices as well. So you already know one of the items in here, which I can tell you guys, I'm like 99% sure I chose the QMS because I just felt like I was gonna love it. Like, I really enjoyed the eye cream. So we do have a card in here. Yeah, I did choose that. We did get a card in here, and the theme for this month's box is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. And I forgot to weigh my box. Let me go weigh it because I know a lot of people always ask what the weight of my box is. Okay, I'm back. Now, I did check my mail scale and it did come to 1 pound, 2.2 ounces. So, moving back over to the card. Now, not everybody will receive the card. I know that for me in my premium paid for box, I did not, but you guys told me if you went to boxycharm.com/insert, I believe it was, that is where you can find the little bit of information about the products as well as the retail value of everything. Now on the back, you will see in here, or you'll see on here, this is where it tells you your variation. Mine is variation 15, and like I said, I paid for this box out of pocket. So like I said, as far as the items went on choices, I did choose the QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream because I don't do a full beat every single day, and I just felt like I was going to love it because I did enjoy the eye cream. So a little information about this. It does have the retail value of $105. It's a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins to help blur imperfections and to reveal visibly glowing even skin. The combination of skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. Now I will tell you guys, I have been using this with just my Tatcha Under Eye Pearl, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can set it with powder if you want. You don't have to. And I feel like this works really good underneath foundation as well. So don't feel like you can only use this as a tinted moisturizer. It is also a universal tint. Like, even though it says it in here, it really truly is. And I think that you guys will really enjoy this if you did happen to get this in the box. Moving on, the next item I see in here is by Aesthetica, and this is the Sunset Bronzer. So I am going to go ahead and open this up for you guys. A little information on this. It does say it has a retail value of $24. It's the Sunset Bronzer. It's the perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tone lends just the right amount of color for a natural looking tan. So let's check this out. Oh, that's actually pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's really creamy too. So here's the swatch. Ignore my sunless sand. Oh, I like this because I feel like it's a kind of a cool tone. Like, I feel like I could contour with this. I mean, granted, I don't have like a strong contour game. I just bronze with everything, but that's actually really pretty. No scent. Why did I want it to have like a coconut beachy scent to it? Wouldn't that be awesome? Let me know if you guys got this as well. Okay, so the next item in here, oh my gosh, I was talking about these in sneak peek and I was so curious about them. These are the masks. Now, I personally enjoy masks. I think, are these like sheet masks? It is. I like sheet masks. Okay, so little information about this. This is the ESW Beauty Raw Juice Cleanse Mask. This is a set of 3, $18, I'm assuming, for the set of them. It says restore and renew your skin with these raw juice inspired sheet masks. The set of 3 will provide revitalizing, moisturizing, and pore control functions similar to the multi-day juice cleanse. Get the best results by targeting each skin concern. I'm happy with this, but like I said, this is more of like a me thing. I feel like I don't know if everybody would enjoy something like this if you don't enjoy sheet masks. You know what I mean? Like, for example, my 20-year-old, she doesn't like sheet masks. She doesn't like the texture of them. But for me, I enjoy like laying in bed and relaxing or taking a bath and soaking and having a sheet mask on. So for me, I'm okay with this. Plus, I love giving these as gifts as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next item I received, and I actually received this in PR. This is the Clarins 02 Velvet Lip Perfector, and this has a retail value of $26. This is the best-selling natural lip perfector. Go bold with a new matte finish. Excuse me, we put you on silent, ma'am. So the Clarins best-selling natural lip perfector. Go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with a soft butter blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. Now, like I said, I was fortunate enough to receive this in PR, and I have it up here top shelf, so you know I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this off to the side, and this is my personal one. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is so pretty. Like, this is the shade that I received. I received 02. You guys see it right there? So this is 02. This is really, really pretty. Like, absolutely gorgeous. And for me, I'm happy to receive the 02 because I feel like I get scared of color, but this is more of a color that I'm comfortable with using. And formula wise, the formula was absolutely beautiful. Like, I definitely feel like it gives you that blurring effect to your lips. So if you have kind of like liney lips or mature lips, whatever it may be, I think you're really gonna like this because it's matte, but it's not the suck the moisture out of your lips kind of matte. It's super, super comfortable. So I really like it, and I am happy with the shade that I did receive, even though I did receive some NPR. The last item in here, and again, let me pull mine because I have mine. So the next item that I did receive, and like I said, this is my personal one, which again I did receive NPR. This is the Butter London Teddy Boy palette. Now this has a retail value of $28, and it says it's highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone natural hues. Create an array of looks with matte shimmer and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy to carry, mirrored compact. Retail value $28. So here's what the box looks like, and then on the back you can see the shades. And like I told you guys when I was doing the PR unboxing, because Boxycharm was nice enough to gift me some of the items that we were seeing in this month's Boxycharm, which I had no idea they were going to be sending it to me, but they did send this over to me, and I actually did a look over on my Instagram. So if you're following me or not following me over on Instagram, you definitely should, because I've been trying to pop up more videos of me using a lot of the products. Like for example, all 4 of the Clarins lip shades I did receive in PR, and I actually did a try on lip swatch for you guys over there as well. So if you are curious about the other shades that were available in this month's box, check out my Instagram. But like I said, I also did a look using this palette, and I felt like, and I talked about it too in the PR unboxing, that because of this gold background, it's kind of hard to see the actual like shades. I think maybe there you can. Before they looked really washed out. Now I'll be honest with you guys, you could have received this palette, the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, or the Tristique, I think it was a contour set, or the mini lipsticks, I can't honestly recall. And I really wanted the Violet Voss Essential 2 palette. I just think it's so beautiful. But hopefully that is something we see in future add-ons. But I can tell you guys, I have used this palette, and it is a very, very pretty palette. I will be setting this aside for maybe a future giveaway. If you guys want to stick around and subscribe, follow me over on Instagram. But I can tell you, I think that if you get this and you're not into vibrant colors or pops of colors, I think you're gonna like this, because it is very neutral, it is very easy to work with, it's very simple, the shades are beautiful, and I don't feel like it's a palette that is going to be something that everybody is going to enjoy, to be honest with you guys, because I feel like with the cool tones, even though it kind of makes you feel like it's sort of on the universal side of things, I just don't feel like everybody's going to gravitate to this kind of muted gray, mauve, brown type of palette. Again, it's a pretty palette, the formula is very, very nice, but I think it's more like specific on who is going to enjoy it. But anyways, with that being said, I did enjoy the palette. I did think that the formula was nice, and then like I said, it has a retail value of $24. Let me add up everything in here. Okay, so like I said, I paid $25 plus tax for this box. I did get to customize the one item in here, and everything came to a grand total of $201 for everything in this box. So let's talk about my thoughts on this box and everything that I received in this Variation 15 box. Like I said, I do like the Teddy Boy palette. However, I was really hopeful in getting the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, but that's only because I already had this palette. I feel like this is just a really pretty palette. I told you guys in my unboxing that I felt like it was very similar to the Tarte palette. Do I have that handy? I knew I had the palette. So if you really like the Tartelette palette by Tarte, I feel like you're going to absolutely love the Teddy Boy palette. If you don't have this in your collection, this is what the palette reminded me of so much. See how the similarities? This one might have a little bit more pinks to it, but they are pretty doggone similar. You see what I'm saying? So, and I love this palette. Hailey had gotten this palette for me a while back, and I love the colors because they're just so easy to work with, and you don't have to put a lot of thought into it. So that, like I said, I think this is going to be a palette that if you just need to hurry up and get out the door, you're really going to like it. Everything else, again, I think that it's going to be, if you enjoy sheet masks, which I do, and this is where it gets a little tricky because some of the stuff I already had because of PR. But I think that if I didn't have these in my collection, I think I'd be really happy with everything that I did receive. Like I said, I get these because I do kind of divvy it up between my daughters, my mom, and to guarantee that I get what I get so I don't have to throw a fit. If that makes any sense whatsoever. Probably not. But anyways, guys, let me know down below what variation you got. Like I said, I am supposed to receive some boxes in PR from Boxycharm, so as soon as I receive them in PR, I will be putting up a video for you guys. A lot of you guys asked me to go head to head with what I purchased versus PR, so I will definitely be coming back and doing those videos for you guys as well. And stay tuned, because Hailey and I will be coming to you guys with a little Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter Plus and regular bag edition. So hopefully you decide to stick around in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.